Hello everyone, Pacer Rail Fanning here. I'm doing a request for video lover who's ticked at YouTube. We're here at the Vinewood Avenue Railroad Crossing here in Wyandotte, Michigan. We're gonna hear the Siemens and low pitch bells on the east sides ringing with the general signals type 3 bells here at Vinewood Avenue. So here he comes.
Hear it.
Should go off any sec. Here's what it sounds like. You can hear the Siemens low pitch bell on the gated signal. It's going to be on track number 3. Here comes an NS auto rack. Here he comes. Here he comes. CO treats activated. You can hear the Siemens low pitch bell ringing. You can see the GE uniform LEDs flashing. We got LED gate lights flashing here. You can definitely hear the bell more clearly than the old dying General Signals Type 2 bell that it replaced. Blowing the horn for Oak Street. You can hear the high-pitched Siemens bell on the mass signal. There's one at Antoine Street. There's one at Oak Street too. You can hear the General Signals Type 3 bell here at this crossing. You can see the back lights are off on the Flat Rock gated signal, and the front lights are off on the mass signal because there's no train on this track. No matter what the train the track's on, the gated signals will activate no matter what train the track's on, and the backlights on the mass signal will also flash. See the peepholes on the signal. See the end of the trains down there, guys. Once the auto rack clears out, once this auto rack clears out, the signal from the middle signal should shut off. And the gate should go back up. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Pacer Rail Fanning here. Stay tuned for the next rail fanning video, so stay tuned.